Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the LIRR Error Code 111. This error occurs when users try to purchase a monthly pass through the TrainTime app. Users have shared that even if they are using the same Commuter benefit card which worked earlier for other tickets, the app still shows errors when buying the monthly pass. According to our research, this error is related to issues with the payment method. It could be incorrect card information, a glitch with the app, or a problem with the specific card being used. First, make sure that the card information you've entered is correct. Double-check all the details and try again. If you are entering the correct information, then restart your device and try making the purchase again. If the error still comes, try deleting the saved card from the app and re-adding it. Then attempt the purchase again. If nothing works, try using a different card or any other payment method available in the app. Or contact the LIRR support team. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.